Hello and welcome to the unboxing, or should I say the unpacking, of the Strontium Nitro Micro SDHC memory card. Let's quickly take a look at what information is available on the box itself, or rather pack itself. This particular card has a read-write speed of 85 megabytes per second, which is pretty substantial, and it has a memory capacity of 16 GB. Not bad at all. I would also like to mention that this particular card is a micro SDHC card. Micro SDHC stands for Secure Digital High Capacity Card. Unlike SD cards, which runs on a FAT16 file system, SDHC cards run on a FAT32 file system, which makes it faster and generally carries larger capacities, anywhere between 4 GB to 32 GB, or even higher sometimes. So let's not waste any more time and take a look at what the card really looks like. This is what the card looks like. I'll get a closer look because it's really tiny. This is as small as a micro SD card actually, but this is not a micro SD card. Like I mentioned, this is a SDHC card, or a Secure Digital High Capacity card, making it faster. As I said, it's much faster than your other SD cards, and also generally carry a high capacity. There you are. This is what the Strontium Nitro Micro SDHC memory card looks like, and you can see it's written here 16 GB capacity and a read-write speed of 85 MB per second. And that's it. That's all you'll find inside this particular pack. Thank you for watching.